Hello everybody, it is Jen. This is a quick step up variation. It's one that I like quite a lot. So to begin, I'm going to start sideways to the step. I'm going to take my right knee to the floor. I'm going to step my right leg up and to the box. Puppy's not included. Up to the box. Spin, step up, down. Now I need to take this leg. I'm going to bring it back down. So I'm up, I'm rotating, down. Notice how my foot turns, and down. So a couple of things with this, right? Where are people going to get stuck? The first place people are going to get stuck is they're not going to weight transfer smoothly enough. If they come up too much out of their feet, the weight transfer onto the box is going to feel funky. So what I mean by that is I'm here, right? I need my foot to get to the box before my torso is all the way straight up towards the ceiling. So notice I'm still low, right? This knee is still bent. Once I have that, I need to spin myself. I need to spin my whole body. If I think about rotating from the pelvis, so my pelvis is going to rotate towards the box and my foot is going to rotate towards the box, my weight is going to get into this foot much easier. So let's break this down again. I'm here. I'm going to step up. I'm going to stay low. Now I need to pivot to come up. To come out of it, I'm going to step down, and as I step down, I rotate away from the box. Boom, right? And then I can take this leg back down. So again, if I'm doing it in real time, I'll do it, and I'm using this back leg to push off. I'm not just using one leg or the other. This is very much a two-legged exercise. I'm here, boom, 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 boom. All right? So give that a try, see how it goes. As always, if you found that useful, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.